It's time for an adventure, let's go!
Mo, Bo, Boo, and Lou learn about farm animals. The Puff Puff Bunch is at a farm. Mo, Bo, Boo, and Lou are exploring. The farm is a really fun place.
It's me, Lou. My favorite animal is a chicken. Do you know what sound chickens make?
Moo! Moo!
Mo, don't be silly. That's not correct.
Yeah, I don't think that's the sound they make.
Hey, it's me, Mo! Of course that's not the sound they make. Chickens say...
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
That's right. Chickens say cluck, cluck. Good job. But, I'm sorry. I'm a bit confused. Which animal says moo?
My favorite animal, a cow! Cows say moo!
That's right. Good job. Cows say moo. Hey, do you know any other farm animals?
Hi, I'm Bo. I know one. Ba.
Ba? I've never heard of an animal called Ba. Ba, come here.
No! That's not its name. That's the sound it makes.
Aha! Yes, of course. Please help me out. Which animal says ba?
A goat!
Don't say ba.
That's right. Goats say ba. Good job.
It's my turn. Oh, and in case you didn't know, my name's Boo. And my favorite animal is a duck.
A duck. Oh, that's wonderful. And, what sound does a duck make? Oh, I think I know. Ducks say hee-haw.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's incorrect? Well, please help me.
Quack, quack,
Quack,
quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack.
What's the matter? Why are you all yelling quack? Is everything okay? Oh, silly me! Ducks say quack! I was just messing with you.
But I know who does say hee-haw.
Really, Lou? Who makes that sound?
Guess. Here, I'll even look at the animal.
A donkey!
Donkeys say hee-haw.
That's right. Donkeys say hee-haw. Good job, Puff Puff Bunch. Do you know what sound sheep make?
That's easy.
Of course we do.
Sheep say meh.
That's right. Sheep say meh. Good job. Hey, Puff Puff Bunch, I think it's time for a song.
I wake up with a thump, ready to work after a stretch and a yawn. I work hard every day, feeding my animals with hay. They munch away. Ducks and chickens give us eggs. Goats and cows give us milk. We get wool from fluffy sheep. If you count them, you'll fall asleep.
All right, let's see if I remember it correctly. Chickens say cluck cluck.
That's right. Chickens say cluck cluck.
And cows say moo.
Yes.
Correct! Cows say moo!
And sheep say ba. I'm just kidding. Goats say ba. And ducks say ducks say I forgot. What sound do ducks make? Hee-haw?
No, that's wrong. Ducks say quack. Quack.
That's right. Good job. Ducks say quack quack. I'll be sure to remember it now. Puff Puff Bunch, I had a really great time today.
So So did we!
It was really fun.
I agree.
It was awesome.
So, to recap, chickens say cluck, cluck.
Yes! Cluck, cluck!
Cows say moo.
Yes, moo.
Goats say ba.
Yes, ba.
And ducks say quack, quack.
Yes, quack, 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 quack.
I'll see you all again soon. Until then, bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
It's time for an adventure, let's go